This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 22B is a Class C RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, Indiana, 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a Venice Stone, Nantucket Blue interior, sleeps 5, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 22B is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.